Say goodbye to my 13-year-old Noritz. That's the primary heat exchanger. Massive leaks have developed. That one especially. I see a little bit of green there. So four of these tubes have been compromised. I can get a new one for $822 US directly from Noritz. I also have a code saying that my thermal fuse is gone, and that's another $21, I think it is, and that's this guy here. It wraps around. I don't know what that does. I think it senses if this is freezing and it turns on these heaters. That's one of the heaters. There's heaters all over on the inside, and those heaters haven't worked for 2 winters. I've had this freeze up twice now on me. And because the heaters are an issue and all these other sensors in there, something else could go wrong. It's 13 years old, and this was a real bitch to take out. It's going to be even harder to put back in, so I've decided to go with a new one. I had a contractor over a couple hours ago. I'm thinking it's going to be around $3,000. The burner looks not too bad considering it's had water dripping all over it. That's the burner assembly. And the secondary heat exchanger is down here. You can see the plumbing going into it. And you can't inspect that. And according to the website, it doesn't come with the secondary. The secondary is another $822 US. So you're looking at $1,600 just for the heat exchangers. And I don't know if that one needs to be replaced or not, but I decided not to go this route because this secondary heat exchanger is crimped together with the primary. And on their website, they don't show the whether or not, I can't tell, and neither can the rep that I talked to on the phone. It just says it's an assembly kit. This was installed August 9th, 2010. It served me well. I noticed the last couple of years, though, it's been consuming more gas. In the summertime, the 3 of us would only consume about a gigajoule per summer. And this thing has probably not been operating properly. And we've been consuming 3 to 4 gigajoules in the summer. That's for the gas-fired heating, cooking, and barbecuing. And I don't think we're cooking or barbecuing any more than we used to. So in with the new and out with the old.